In this video, we're going to talk about Gold IRA pros and cons. If you've been wondering whether adding gold or other precious metals to your retirement savings makes sense, stick around. You'll know the benefits, the downsides, and how to figure out if this could work for you. And by the way, if you do decide that this makes sense for you, I've listed the top-rated Gold IRA providers along with any special promos they're currently offering. So if you want to grab this deal, check out the first link down in the description of this video. It's an affiliate link which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, let's get started. So, what exactly is a Gold IRA? It's a type of self-directed individual retirement account. Unlike a regular IRA that only allows paper investments like stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds, a Gold IRA lets you hold physical gold and other precious metals like silver, palladium, and platinum. The idea is to diversify your savings and protect against things like inflation and market ups and downs. But just like any other financial tool, it's got good points and not so good points. Well, let's break it down. What are the benefits of a Gold IRA? First up, there are tax benefits. A Gold IRA works just like a traditional IRA when it comes to taxes. You can contribute pre-tax money up to $7,000 a year if you're under 50 or $8,000 if you're over 50. That money grows tax deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on the gains until you withdraw it in retirement. It's a way to grow your savings without losing part of it to taxes every year. Then there's the fact that you are investing in physical gold and other metals. This is a big deal because physical assets don't vanish the way paper investments sometimes can. You can't wake up one day and find that your gold is worth zero because of a bad news story or a tech glitch. If you can hold it in your hand, you own it for real. That peace of mind appeals to a lot of people. Gold also helps protect against inflation. The value of the dollar has gone down a lot over the years, but gold has kept its value. Over the last 90 years, the dollar has lost about 99% of its value compared to gold. So when prices go up and your money buys less, gold can hold steady or even go up in value. That's why people often call gold a safe haven. Another pro is having more control. With a traditional IRA, you're limited to whatever investments your provider allows. With a self-directed Gold IRA, you have more say in what you invest in. There are still rules from the Internal Revenue Service, but you're not locked into only paper investments. A Gold IRA can also help you spread out your risk. This is called diversification. If all your money is in the stock market and it crashes, you're in trouble. But if you have a mix of paper investments and physical metals, you're less likely to lose everything at once. Plus, the Internal Revenue Service doesn't limit how many IRA accounts you can have. You can hold multiple accounts with different focuses. Selling gold is also easier than you might think. Gold is always in demand. If you decide you want to cash out, you just contact your precious metals advisor and they'll help you sell. The money is usually in your account within a few days. One more big benefit is rollover flexibility. If you've got old 401k accounts or other retirement accounts just sitting there, you can roll them over into a Gold IRA without paying penalties or extra taxes. This lets you keep your tax advantages while adding physical metals to your retirement plan. Costs are reasonable too. You'll pay a setup fee plus yearly custodian and storage fees. Most of the time, those fees total about $160 and $200 a year. When you think about protecting your savings over the long term, that's not bad at all. Finally, a Gold IRA lets you avoid some of the tax headaches. If you take money out of a traditional IRA to buy gold directly, you'll get hit with taxes and penalties. But if you use a Gold IRA, you can buy precious metals inside the account without triggering those penalties. Okay, that's the good stuff. But now, let's talk about the downsides, because this isn't all sunshine and rainbows. What are the downsides of a Gold IRA? First, gold doesn't pay you anything while you hold it. There's no interest, no dividends, and no yields. Stocks and bonds can pay you money over time, but gold just sits there. Some people are okay with that trade-off because it means less uncertainty. But if you're looking for regular income from your investments, gold won't give you that. Another thing is that Gold IRAs aren't well known. Most financial advisors don't deal with them, and a lot of investors don't know how they work. The process of setting one up can feel confusing if you're trying to do it on your own. You will definitely want to work with a company that knows what they're doing and can guide you through it. There are also risks if you don't follow the rules. The Internal Revenue Service has strict guidelines on what kinds of metals are allowed, how pure they need to be, and where they have to be stored. Break the rules, and you could end up with penalties or even have your accounts shut down. Your investment options are limited too. While you have more control than with a traditional IRA, you still can't just buy anything. Certain popular coins and collectible items are not allowed. That can be disappointing if you wanted to include them in your portfolio. Another thing to watch out for is shady dealers. Some companies will try to sell you overpriced coins or make offers that sound too good to be true. They might push so-called exclusive coins that cost way more than their real value. You need to be careful and do your research before choosing who to work with. And then there are minimum investment requirements. A lot of Gold IRA providers ask for a minimum amount to open an account. Sometimes it's $5,000 for direct purchases or $10,000 if you're rolling over from another retirement account. That can be a barrier if you're not ready to commit that much money. So, who is a Gold IRA really for? It's usually a good fit for people who feel nervous about putting all their retirement savings into the stock market. If you've watched your traditional IRA underperform, or if you just don't like the idea of having everything in paper investments, a Gold IRA might make sense. It's also good for people who already have most of their savings in retirement accounts and want to add something more stable. So the best way to know if a Gold IRA is right for you is to talk to a precious metals advisor. They can answer your questions and help you figure out if this is a smart move for your situation. And remember, if you decide that this makes sense for you, I've listed the top-rated Gold IRA providers, along with any special promos they're currently offering. So if you want to grab this deal, just check out the first link down in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till next time.